Hey, Tia Silvestri here, Florida-friendly landscaping agent with the University of Florida, IFAS Extension in Orange County. And today I'm going to list 25 things that you can grow in June. So it's getting really hot, steamy, raining like crazy, and the pests and disease are out like crazy. There's slugs and snails and caterpillars, and so it's not time to stop gardening. It's just time to change your methodology and kind of forget about vegetable gardening and switch your mindset to more of an edible landscape gardening. So I'm going to talk about some annuals and perennials that you can be planting right now. And these are things that I have growing in my garden that are really productive, easy to grow, and can survive the summer heat and pests. So in my hand here, I have two types of tropical spinaches. There are many types of tropical spinaches. This is Okinawan spinach. This is the purple kind, or some people call it longevity spinach. This one is a Suriname spinach. There's also this other spinach, I don't even know the name, but the leaves taste like mushrooms, and I got it from my friend. So let's see, I have so many things here. How about a turmeric plant? Turmeric is easy to grow. It's a perennial. Grow it from the root. You can eat the roots, and it's medicinal. You can still grow a couple vegetables like this little okra. I don't get that excited about eating okra, but might as well grow it a little bit. How about a cherry tomato? This is a yellow pear. They have low acidity. Normal big tomatoes don't want to grow well in the Florida summer because the nights are too hot, but the cherry tomatoes continue to do well. How about adding some other medicinal plants to your plant collection like aloe? And then we have a tropical fruit here, the dragon fruit or pitaya. And this can't withstand too much freezing temperatures, but I have gotten some dragon fruits off of my trees here at home. My vines. Don't forget about black-eyed peas, which can be planted all summer long. And of course your Seminal Pumpkin, which I just have this little one in the pot, but the ones I have in the ground are about 6 feet tall, wide, the vine. So hopefully yours are bigger than this, but if not, start planting now. Don't forget about your flowering plants, your insectary plants like this marigold right here. So you can plant the seeds, save the seeds, replant it, and keep this going all year round. Not a vegetable, but a loofah squash. So this grows like kind of like the Seminal Pumpkin. It's a vine, and so you can grow this so you can have your own sponges if you want to be sustainable and grow everything yourself. Grow your own sponges, use it to wash your dishes or clean out your buckets or even in the bathtub. This is a cool one. Guess what this is? Yard-long bean. Now they call it yard-long bean, but it's not really yard-long. This one's maybe about 2 feet long. But this is an excellent vegetable. It's kind of tastes like a black-eyed pea. You can eat it raw. And again, save the seeds for future generations. In case I didn't talk about sweet potato yet, here's one that's been sitting on my counter, and now it's just starting to grow. So if you forget to eat it, grow it, or just plant it in the ground. Some other things I have here, moringa, which you can eat the leaves, very nutritious and delicious. Pineapple, just put your plants that after you eat them from the grocery store, put your tops in a little pot like this, grow it. I have some ripe pineapples, getting ready to ripen now in my garden. Don't forget about pigeon pea over here. Pigeon pea, I first learned about it in Costa Rica, and it has edible peas. The Hispanic Latino people call it gandules. I love to eat it. It grows like a little shrub. It's wonderful to grow. Papayas, you should be having some nice papaya trees that should be fruiting by the end of the year if you got them going. Sugarcane over here, if you want to experiment with growing your own sugar, grow some sugarcane. It's also a good grass plant. You can trim the tops and add that to your garden. What else do we have? Hot peppers. jalapenos, cayennes, they will last through the summer. Some herbs, like we have lemongrass, so you can just cut these leaves and make it for tea. That's a really delicious tea. I have some purple basil over here, and the bees love the basil, great for insectary plants, pollinators. A little bit of peppermint. This just lives year round, and if it gets too long, just make a cutting from it and put it in a pot and give it to one of your friends. And then I have a banana tree back here. So bananas are my buddies. They do great in my yard. Remember to plant the right plant in the right place, because bananas love wet soil, rich soil, lots of food. Plant them next to your compost pile. Make your compost pile right next to them. Put everything you can on them, your worm tea and all that good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this little session today about what to grow in Florida. Forget about the vegetables and move on to your edible landscape. So thanks for tuning in today, and keep posted for more videos. Thank you.